Field exercise on tree measurement. A field exercise on tree measurement was organized for the Forest Range Officer trainees in the Telangana State Forest Academy, forest area with the objective of providing practical exposure to standard tree measurement techniques and familiarizing the trainees with field-level operational issues encountered during forest inventory and biometric assessments. During the exercise, the trainees measured the diameter and girth of standing trees using calipers and tape. Emphasis was laid on the correct procedure for measuring diameter at breast height, DBH, proper handling of measuring instruments, accurate recording of observations, and adherence to standard measurement protocols under varying field conditions. The trainees were divided into teams for systematic data collection and analysis. Each team recorded all measurements in the prescribed format and prepared consolidated statements based on the field observations. The teams also identified and documented the advantages and limitations of the measuring instruments, along with practical difficulties encountered in the field, including uneven terrain, buttressed stems, irregular tree forms, climber interference, and dense vegetation. All the teams presented the tree measurement procedure in a systematic and professional manner. They explained the methodology adopted, demonstrated the use of the measuring instruments, presented the data collected during the field exercise, and discussed the analysis of the observations. The presentations highlighted both the strengths and limitations of the measurement techniques and instruments, as well as the practical challenges encountered under field conditions. The interactive discussions that followed enhanced the trainees' understanding of standard tree measurement procedures and promoted the exchange of field experiences and best practices among the participants. The exercise significantly enhanced the trainees' understanding of tree measurement techniques, improved their proficiency in field data collection, and strengthened their capacity to conduct accurate forest inventory and resource assessment activities in future field assignments. The author sincerely extends heartfelt thanks to the Director, Forest Academy, and the course director for providing the opportunity and guidance to organize this field exercise. Sincere appreciation is also extended to all the Forest Range Officer trainees for their enthusiastic participation, keen interest, and dedication throughout the exercise.